Hey everybody, by this time you've received this email and you know we're going to have to go somewhere on July 26th. So if you're on your laptop, click here at this link. If you're on your iPad or smartphone, click on this link down here. I was just going to run through it in case anybody was having a hard time trying to find out where they need to be. Since I've logged in before, it automatically takes me to this screen. So you want to click on login, and then you're going to put your first and last name, and it's going to generate a code for you to log in, okay? So once you check your email, you put that code in and it's verified, it's going to bring you here. And what you need to do is over here on the left-hand side, scroll down to schedule, click schedule. And it's going to bring up a long list of different kinds of activities at all the schools around the area. So what we need to do is click filter. So instead of having all of these 180 something activities we could go to, we want to click filter. And click on tracks. And from here, we know we're going to be at Kell because we've heard that. So we go to Kell High School, ELA. And then you can come over here and click tags. And then you're going to click on your grade level and subject. So there is a generic 6 through 8 ELA. But if you keep scrolling down a little bit, you'll see 6th grade AC ELA, 6th grade ELA, and so on. So click on your subject area. I'm going to my 8th grade AC ELA. And then click apply. And it narrows the playing field down a lot. So everybody's going to go to the general opening, and you see I've checked that here. So there's a general opening from 8:30 to 9:15, and then you scroll on down. It's a lot less than what we would have had to have done. And you will find, okay, so here, I've already passed it because I was looking at the beginning words. 6th grade, 7th grade, and you'll notice here's my 8th grade ACLA. I've already checked it. So once you've done that, you're in. You can go there playing a game where they're going to give away prizes. So the more things you do on this website, if you're interested, you can do that and earn points and possibly win prizes, I guess. Anyway, if you have any questions, ask me. I hope this was helpful. See y'all tomorrow.